What is quality? What is the definition of quality? Understanding what is to be considered as quality. When the expression quality is used, we usually think in terms of an excellent product or service that fulfills or exceeds our expectations. These expectations are based on the intended use and the selling price. For example, a customer expects a different performance from a plain carbon steel washer than from a chrome plated steel washer because they are different grade. When a product surpasses our expectations, we consider that quality. Thus, it is somewhat of an intangible based on perception. Quality can be quantified as follows: Q is equal to P by E, where Q is quality, P is performance, and E is expectations. If Q is greater than 1, then the customer has a good feeling about the product or service. Of course, the determination of P and E will most likely be based on perception, with the organization determining performance and the customer determining expectations. A more definitive definition of quality is given in ISO 9000-2000. It is defined as the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirement. Degree means the quality can be used with adjectives such as poor, good, and excellent. Inherent is defined as existing in something, especially as a permanent characteristic. Characteristics can be quantitative or qualitative. Requirement is a need or expectation that is stated, generally implied by the organization. Its customers and other interested parties are obligatory. The dimensions of quality. Dimensions of quality are the different features of a product or service. There are 9 different dimensions. They are performance, features, conformance, reliability, durability, service, response, aesthetics, and reputation. Let us try to understand the meaning of each dimensions of quality with some example. Performance. Primary product characteristic is considered to be the performance, such as brightness of the picture that we usually watch over a television. That could be considered as the performance. The brightness of picture can be considered as performance. Features, second dimension. This is the secondary characteristics, that is added feature such as remote control. When we are watching a television program, remote control is considered to be the feature. Next, conformance. Conformance means meeting specifications or industry standards, otherwise workmanship. Reliability. Reliability is a consistency of performance over time, average time for the unit to fail. What is the time that a product or service will take to fail? Otherwise, how long can a product or service can perform without any fault? That is considered to be the reliability. Next one is durability. That is useful life of the product or service, how long that could be used without any failure in its services or in operations. That may include repairs also. Service. Resolution of problems and complaints. uh, Having provided with the service for a given product or service means that the capability of an organization to resolve the problems, upcoming problems during its usage, and to resolve the complaints, if any, that have been received by the customers. That is allowing the ease with which a repair could be made possible for a given product or service. Response. human to human interface, such as the courtesy of the dealer during or after the sale of the product, how the people who are intended to do sales, repairs, services, how they have the interface with the other customers. That is the kind of the response the customer expects from the organization. That is also a dimension of the quality. Aesthetics. It is sensory characteristics such as exterior finish, how it looks. That is the aesthetics. Last dimension of quality is reputation. It is the past performance and other intangibles such as being ranked first. Reputation includes over the years how the product or service has been able to give its performance without any problems, and how it has been ranked in the market. That is the reputation. So these are the 9 dimensions of the quality. If all these dimensions are given or present in a particular product or service, for sure the quality of the product is said to be upheld.